Hello student, today we are going to start geometry. Under geometry we are going to see how we can find so many theorems of angles. Today we are going to consider different shape of a cycle. Suppose we have so many cycles like this. You have a cycle. Suppose you have another cycle like this. If you have a cycle, you have another cycle like this. You have another cycle like this. Yes, if you have so many cycles, suppose you have different cycles like this, and you have a center of this cycle. This is a center. Let's say for this cycle, this is a center. This is a center to this cycle again. So any line we draw from the center to part of circumference, let's say this is a center. Any line from the center is called radius. This is a radius. This is another radius from here, from the center. This is a radius. So if you extend this radius here, from here to this circumference, from here, you draw it here, and then you have another cycle here, from here, line from here to this, you draw it here. You see, if you draw these cycles, and suppose this is this angle, this is center, this is another angle at this. So if this one is, let's say, letter A, this is letter B. So we want to see what is this angles. So if we want to measure this angle, we use our protractor from here, this line. This is how to measure from this line. You draw it here, measure it correctly here. If you measure this angle, you see, from 0, 10, 20, then 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, then 80, then what? Yes, if you see here, this is 80, but 80, yes, this is 85. So angle B here, our B here is 85. So when we come to this and measure it here, you see, you place your protractor here from this corner, place it here. Make sure it is on the straight line. It is straight to the point. So you see, then you measure it. Here is 0, from here to here is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. You see, somewhere around 45. Yes, here is 40, somewhere around 45 point. Yes, if you see, it's past 40. Yes, it passed 40, but it does not reach is 42 point. Yes, this B is 42.5. So what can you say about A? A is 42.5. Then B is 85. So that means, what can you say about A and B? You mean that angle A, angle B is greater than angle A, or angle A is twice angle B. Angle B is 2 times A. So that is angle at center. Similarly, if you take this another cycle here, let's say you draw a line like this. If you draw a radius from here, another radius from here to here, you extend it here, you draw another radius from here to here, you come and measure. If you measure, let's say this is angle P, this is angle Q. So when you place your protractor here and measure it, when you measure it here, this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 92. So our Q here, our Q is 92. So you see, Q is 92. Then when you measure this angle at this, when you place it here, then you see this angle 10, 20, 30, 40, but less than, does not reach, this is not reach exactly, yes, you will see somewhere around 946. Yes, is this 46? Not. Yes, if you measure this one, you will see it 47. It is 47. So now you see our Q, our P is 46. So therefore you can conclude that Q is 2 times P. Similarly, if you have another triangle like this, this is a line from here, this is another line from here, this is 2 radius. So if you extend it here, from here to this, if you extend another cycle here, if you measure angle here and this angle, when you place your protractor here, place your protractor here around this, you will see that let's say if this one is x, here is y, so you can measure angle x and see what is the value of angle x. So you see angle x, if you see from here, you can measure angle x, or you can place it like this. This is same thing. So you see here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 90, 100. This is somewhere around 110. Our x is equals to 110. If x is equals to 110, so what is the value of y? So you see, if you want to measure the value of y, you place your protractor here straightly to this point, so you can take a measurement here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You see, you can measure it yes, you see, yes, if you place it exactly, if you place it correctly, you will see that our y is going to be 55. So you can conclude that angle at this is twice the angle at this. Also, angle at this is twice the angle at the circumference. This is angle at center. This is angle at center, angle at circumference. So this is all about the theorem, angle at center is twice the angle at circumference. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.